Hello, Jet Entertainers! Welcome back to my channel!
1, 2, 3, come on!
Today is quarantine 100 plus. Well, I lost the counting and I don't want to count anymore because that's creating me a lot of stress. And I know you're here today. Stay tuned to my channel because you don't want to get any stress, right? Dapat good vibes lang good. For today's episode, I'll be sharing to you my on-the-go skincare to achieve a glowing glass skin for men. Bonga! Oops, ladies, wag magtampo because later on I have good news for you. Well, admittedly, growing up, I have an acne-prone skin, especially on my chin area, and especially on my nose. Kapag nami-miss ko si crush. But you know, I don't care how I look then until I started working in the event industry. When I started working as an event host, like this, I learned to take good care of myself by taking in good food, by wearing appropriate clothing, and of course, skincare. But honestly guys, at first I feel so awkward to be meticulous with my skin kasi lalaki. But later on I realized that marami palang mga lalaki na well-groomed, who are health conscious, and of course, fashion police. So it's not bad at all to join the trends because if you look good, you feel good. But as always, ayaw talaga ng mga lalaki na marami mga gamit at mga cheche boreche. So for today, I will be sharing to you this mini beautiful secret that I've been using for 6 months already that is suitable for the on-the-go bachelors like me. Presenting the Lumiere Skin Vitals. Let's start today with a splash of a glutathione soap with tranexamic and kojic, which helps revitalize and renew skin cells. With its active ingredients, you just need to lather the soap in a circular motion in your face and neck. Now it's time to rinse it immediately. And don't forget to pat dry using a clean face towel. After that, it's toning time. You need to apply at least 2 to 3 drops of the toner. And now it's time to pat. But just a reminder guys, please don't rub your face. Okay, just pat, and pat. And for our step number 3 is applying sunblock. This sunblock is enriched with active enzymes. You just need to put some pea size on your face and spread a thin layer of it. This has SPF 30 to ensure that you're fully protected from the UV rays from the sun. Alcohol, face mask, Cupas, glasses. So this is my outfit for today guys. My bag, just a loose t-shirt and short. Let's go. So we are here outside guys, so just make sure that in going out you should wear something loose clothing because you know, even though if it's still rainy season, you could see that init pa din, right? So we're off the road at this time, so we just have to wait. Okay, so here as you can see, di na gaanong matraffic here, oh. See? So So, we're going out right now. Punta lang tayo ng ATM kasi mag-withdraw tayo. Then after that, magbabayad na tayo ng mga bills. Here, you see that? So there you see guys. So there's a staff over here and we are falling in line over here. Hey guys. Pagod, ang init. It's almost noon. Okay pa ba yung skin ko? Okay pa yung skin, guys. Ang init talaga sa labas. Good thing I have this sunblock. The sunblock is SPF 30, so sure and guaranteed talaga that your skin is safe and block against the UV ray. Because the UV rays coming from the sun will really damage your skin. And you know, as we grow up, we are not getting any younger, guys. As we grow up, talagang nagsishrink talaga yung mga skin cells natin. And good thing, we have this Lumiere to help us out solve this problem. I still have a long day ahead of me, so I'm gonna do a lot of errands for today. One more tip, guys. You allot a certain day of the week to do all of your errands. Para isang labasan na lang. Para hindi ka parating lumalabas at saka you will have less interactions with people. Okay? So please stay safe. See you later. And at night, you will do the same. Wash your face, do your toner, and of course, applying the miraculous night cream so you can see a glowing just woke up look the next day. So there you have it, guys. My skincare routine as easy as 1, 2, 3. So walay kuskus balumos. So in my 5 months of using, I observed that na-lessen na ang ako ang breakouts, dili na kayo visible ang ako ang mga pores, and also it gives you a silky complexion. So when you go outside, it will provide you a fine glowing finish as if marakag nag-makeup. But you know, we're gentlemen, so we are not using makeup, right? Kani siya, ni work ni siya for gentlemen. How much more it will give a glowing effect to all ladies out there. Attention ladies, so they have this new product that is the Premium Tone Up Face Cream. Here. There. So it's like a BB cream for the ladies. So they will also have that silky glass look skin like Koreans. So there you have it, the good news, guys. For interested buyers, don't forget to check out Lumiere Skin Vitals by Jerbel. I will place their Facebook account on this side and also their link in the description box below so you can place your order. What are you waiting for, guys? Order now! Thank you so much, Lumiere Skin Vitals by Jerbel. So alam nyo na, guys, if you want to have that glowing glass skin for men, check them out. But seriously, guys, let's spread the beauty, not the virus. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell para mag-uban-uban gyapon ta sa mga musunod natong episode. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I look forward to a bigger community, mga entertainers. Please stay safe. Let's spread the beauty and not the virus. Mag-uban-uban gyapon ta. Kita-kits!